Let's make it.
What we need here, we need soap base. So I have white glycerin soap. We need some soap colorants. And then I have some glitter here just to make it shiny. I have some silicone mold, and I do have soap mold too. And what else we need? We need some sticks just for mixing, some containers for pouring the soap, and then I do have an oatmeal, a little bit oat, and chia seed. We want to make it interesting soap. So let's make it. First, I'm gonna cut the soap base, just a piece, and then I add to my container and then put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to melt it.
Yay,
Yeah,
you got
just
the piece.
This piece should be good for now, and then I just put in my container, put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. This is my soap after 30 seconds, but as you see, there's a big chunk inside, so I need to just add more time, so I will put it another 30 seconds. Now, after 1 minute, you see, it's completely melted. It's pretty hot, so you need to have an adult to do this part. And then I pour a small piece in each container because we want to add color. And now we can add some colorant.
I made the soup.